Welcome back everybody. Today I'm out here in the back garden and the mission is simple. Clean this whole area up and get it ready for planting some veggies. Right now it's a bit overgrown, messy and needs some proper work done. So I'm going to clear the weeds, move the rubbish, tidy the space up and start preparing the ground so it's ready for the next step. The goal is to turn this area into something useful, something clean, and something that actually grow food. I want to get this garden ready for some fresh vegetables, and this is where it all starts. It might take some hard work, a lot of digging, and a bit of sweat, but that's all part of the process. You've got to prepare the ground before you can plant anything good. So come along with me as I clean up the back garden and get everything ready for the veggies garden. Let's get into it. That's the garden clean up and looking much better already. Now the ground is getting closer to being ready for planting. This is just the beginning, but step by step we are making it happen. So stay tuned because next we'll be planting the veggies.